Trump said, public, in front of all the world, even he is not hiding. You are Somali, crazy, go back to Somalia. Oh, I'm American, Mr. Trump, American. I have American passport. I have citizenship, please. Leave me alone. No. No, you are a terrorist. You are a terrorist, Somali. Terrorist. Terrorist. Go back to Somalia. I am Donald J. Trump, the President of the United States of America. Somali, you are terrorist. Go back. You do not belong here. Terrorist. Oh, this is the American flag. I am citizen. I swear to God, Allah, I am American. I love America. I am loyal to America. You are not loyal. You are a terrorist. Go back. I am ordering and commanding all of the law enforcement, the CIA, the FBI, the Homeland Security to kill and capture and put behind the bars all Somalis and all the Muslims. Kill them, capture them. They are danger to America. They are terrorists. Put them behind the bars. Yes, I am Donald Trump. Yes, Mr. Trump, the judges and the law specialists and the experts are telling you you are not above the law, Mr. Trump. Yes, I am above the law of the United States. I can do whatever I want to do. Yes, all the white people are on my side. Go back to Somalia. Yes. Yes, Mr. Trump. Okay. Mr. Trump. Trump? Yes. Go back to Somalia. You are idiot. Crazy. American passport. I can take the American passport from you. Go back now. That is what he said. He said that I have received information from the FBI, from the law enforcement. There are 1,000 terrorists in America. 1,000. He said the FBI informed me that there are 1,000 terrorists in America. And we don't have the money, Mr. Trump. Therefore, give us the money so we can kill them, we can capture them, we can put them behind us. 1,000 Muslims are in America. American citizens will go jail, will die in the hands of Donald Trump. I can be the first one. Abdulrazak Ali Artan, the Somali brilliant student in Ohio State, was the first student that being killed in the hand of Donald J. Trump. Trump has killed Abdulrazak Ali Artan. I swear Allah, no one else. Because Abdulrazak Ali Artan get accident car, nothing else. Just the accident car. Accident car in Ohio State. People surrounded him, confronted him, fighting started, then they shot him dead. Trump came Ohio. And instead of solving the problem, because he's crazy and idiot leader and devil and Satan, he said he braced the coward criminal police officer who is from Cincinnati. And the people are crying. All Somalis are crying. The mother is crying. The family are crying. Everybody is crying. But still, they are suffering in the hand of J. Trump, the craziest leader in the world. All right. That is the truth. That is the truth. The truth. That is the truth. Therefore, go back to Somalia. I am ready to give up American citizenship because of J. Donald Trump. Because I do not have a right in America as an American citizen. And I'm ready to give up American flag. And I'm ready to give up American citizenship and go back to Somalia. By Allah, I'm ready. Please, Trump, don't kill me. Don't shoot me. Don't give me poison. Do not terrorize me. Because you have power and you have law enforcement. And you can shoot us. You can kill Somalis anywhere in the world.